Hey Pascal, what products do you sell? Hey Pascal, what kind of business is it? What do I sell? Now, this question is coming from a lot of people. I think they get confused with what I do. They want to know what I do. And what I do is I sell products online. Now, what do I mean by that? About anything. That's what it is. Amazon, private companies, I promote their products. I am an affiliate. I don't have any product of my own. That's what I do online. Now, but most people confuse this with SFM. SFM is a training platform. It's like an educational system. It's like an academy. What they do is they teach you how to market any product online. It doesn't matter what it is. So it's your responsibility to pick and choose. They don't restrict you to say you must sell, because SFM has got their own products as well. If you like, you can promote it, or if you like, if you have your own product, you can sell your own thing. But what they teach you is how to market it effectively online and create a system around it where you can actually be doing whatever you like with your time, whereas your products or your websites is doing the selling and telling for you. So that's what that's in a nutshell what I do. So if you're looking to start and you're thinking what product would you be selling, there are millions and millions of products that you can sell online. All you just need to understand is how to market it. It's not there's no shortage of product to sell. It's the marketing that there is more like scarcity. People don't really understand how to place ads and understand how to sell a product, how to target people at the right particular niche and all that. So that's what online business is all about. If you're looking for product to sell, there's no shortage of products online. There are millions and millions and millions of things. I'm trying to cross the road before I cut. These guys will run me down. There are millions and millions of things that you can do. So that's what I want to share with you. So if you're looking, let me show you. Actually, I'm going to the bank now. Let me show you one of the checks I got. I'm in the UK, so we use British pounds here, but I sell products in America. You can sell in any country you like. I sold products in New Zealand yesterday, one in Canada as well. So it's not about where and where. If you can see here, at $72. So this is it. Some people pay you by check like this. Some companies pay you by PayPal, and some pay you by account, American Express. You just pick and choose and understand which one you're looking to do. The payment is not a problem. It's just you learning how to market. So that's what SFM teaches you, how to market these products online. And you can sell about anything you choose. Pick and choose what you like. All right, so I hope this will settle a few questions that I've been getting now lately, because I do like to shoot videos to respond to some of my questions rather than answering over and over again. I'll just make one video for everybody, and that's leverage. That's leveraging technology. All right, guys, I'll talk to you again soon. Later. Take care. Bye bye.